This hair is on fire. This hair is on fire. My hair is lit. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Now guys, this video actually had to take a totally different turn. I was showing you all how dry my hair was and I was gonna get it moisturized, and I started with this clip right here. Now guys, as you can see, my hair is in need of some moisture. I have not moisturized my hair in almost 2 weeks, about a week and a half, 2 weeks, and saying it out loud kind of makes it sound really terrible. But I have been lazy. I have really been lazy for the past couple of days. So 2 days stretched onto 3 and stretched onto a week, and here we are. And then I left the twist in for basically the entire week, and then I moved on to this other clip. Hey! So it's Friday morning. I'm getting ready for work. I'm gonna take down this hair. So that means I have literally been wearing this hair for the entire week. This is what it looks like. It's a little frizzy here and here and over there and over there. But yeah. I'm gonna take it down now so that I can see if it's a nice little twist out that I can wear to work today. So I'm using the Aloe Vera oil. I do this much in my hands. I'm going to just put it over here so that it gives it a little shine. It is now Friday night after that work day, and I decided, you know what, when I was looking at the clips and putting them together to start editing, that video was going to be way too long. And I mean, I did not want a video of me just twisting my hair or showing a twist out using the products that I made to be 15 or 20 minutes long. I mean, who does that, right? So I figured, you know what, I'm gonna skip through that. Will you just stay here, please? I thank you. Please, thank you. Okay. I decided I was gonna just come on to just give you a quick run through of exactly what happened with this hair, how I came to this point, because going that route with the video and doing the wear test and doing all that stuff, it would have just been way too long, and I really don't want this video to be extremely long, because I mean, there are already way too many twisting videos here on the platform right now, and yeah. But the long and short of it, guys, I used my Aloe Vera DIY products to get to this. I mean, this lustful, beautiful, shiny twist out. I intended to moisturize my hair because I wanted to try the Shealoe moisturizing butter that I made, and I figured, you know what, let's just make it an aloe vera styling challenge, or an aloe vera only hairstyle, that kind of thing, if you know what I mean. So I basically used the leave-in conditioner. I will link it here that you can go check it out. And after I used the leave-in conditioner, I used the Shealoe moisturizing hair butter in order to twist up my hair. I will leave a few clips when I am going so that you all can still see, so you can see exactly how I went through doing the process. Like you all will see, whenever I do a twist out, I normally do braids in the roots of my hair for about an inch, and then I twist the remaining of the hair. I did this little thing right here. It's a little frizzy now because my hair has been in the twist for about a week. I only unraveled it a week after I did the twist. But this is basically it, guys. I really don't want this video to be long. I basically wanted to come on here to just show you all the results of that moisturizing with using just the aloe vera based products. So I used the aloe vera leave-in to start with. My hair was like super dry. I had not moisturized it in almost 2 weeks, so it was super dry. I only used my aloe vera leave-in conditioner as my base, spritzed on each section, and then I went in with the Shealoe moisturizing butter on the sections, and then I just twisted it up. I put in this twist to the side, put in those twists. I left it in my hair for basically the entire week for work, and I let it out Friday morning when I was heading to work because I twisted it up Saturday night. I twisted it up a Saturday night, so I left it in and basically went to work with it for the entire week. And on Friday morning when I was ready to go to work, I took off those twists, took them down, and wore my hair out for work. And I am recording now the Friday night, that same day I took down the twist, and it still looks so beautiful. Like, it really looks beautiful, guys. This may be one of my best twist outs yet. I mean, normally when I put a twist out and I wear it during the day, it gets so much more puffy than this. This twist hair is the puffiest that I have seen. I'm not sure how the back looks. From what I felt, I don't feel any that's more puffy than this one. But guys, this is awesome. Let me show you to the back here. It's beautiful. When I was taking down the twist, all I did was put in some of the aloe vera oil into the palm of my hands, like you would have seen, because I sped up that part as well. And I just took down the twist. I did no separating, no extra fluffing, and I just left it out. And this is it. Shiny, beautiful twist out, and I really love it. And guys, guess what? There's no flakes. There's absolutely no flakes. Now, if I had gone through the entire video that I previously recorded, you would have seen the part where I had that little fear that it would have had the flakes, because when I was making that butter, I did not strain the aloe vera when I blended it before mixing it with the shea butter. So I had that fear that there may have been some flakes, but there's none. I mean, I took down that hair. You see just this one little thing here, this, and I think I saw another one a little earlier somewhere in there. I think this maybe it's right there, but other than that, that's all. I mean, I saw no falling snowflakes. There's nothing. And let me tell you, these products worked so amazing in getting this twist up done. I think I'm gonna experiment with it a little further, so keep tuned for that, because it really turned out awesome, like awesome. So I'm basically going to call this DIY twist out, or an aloe vera only, or styling my hair only with aloe vera, that kind of thing, so you all can see. But guys, let me know in the comment section if you have ever styled your hair with just aloe vera. How has it turned out for you? What style did you use? I will leave the links for all the DIYs of the aloe vera based products in the description box, so that you can go check them out. And I will see you in the next one. Bye.